Hi guys, it's your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients, and you know it, family. So I made this delicious bowl of salad, and family, the taste will blow your mind. You know what I mean? So I want to share my recipe with you, okay? So let's go. So in a bowl, we add our lettuce, our cucumber, you can see I have neatly diced it, and some shredded carrots. And please note, I will be listing all the ingredients in the description box, so you check it out, okay? So now I add some onions, then some potatoes. This is where the secret is coming from. These potatoes took my salad to a different level, family. You need to try it. Then I add some green bell pepper, which is optional. You can choose to add it or not, okay? Then I top it up with more carrots. And just look at this. Our bowl of salad is ready. We can enjoy it like this. But you know, so I am going to top it up with some eggs and some sardine. I hope you understand. So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for the massive support. God bless you. If you are new to my channel, welcome and thank you. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified, okay? Thank you so much, my returning viewers, my new viewers. God bless you. So this is where I add my sardines, and then I'll just sprinkle the juice in the sardine onto my salad, and then top it up with some creamy ketchup. It's also optional, okay? And ta-da! We are done. So just follow the step-by-step salad recipe of mine, and your family, they are gonna enjoy. They are going to say, thank you mommy, thank you mommy, thank you mommy. This salad is an award-winning salad, okay? Thank you guys, I love you. If you like this video, just give your girl some thumbs up, like, comment, and please subscribe so we grow together, okay? I love you guys. Bye bye.